from Belvedere Girl Scouts. We are here to tell you about a project we're working on. Girl Scouts Camp Dean, there is a huge sledding hill, but no sleds.
You have to remember to bring your own, or you'll miss out on the fun.
As a troop, we built a little sled library, just like the little libraries you can find at your schools to borrow and share sleds.
This sled library will be installed at Camp Dean for all Girl Scouts to use.
We hope you go and visit and take some rides down this sledding hill.
We'd love it if you could donate a new or gently used sled.
Just drop it in the sled library next time you visit.
Enjoy the new sled library. Enjoy the new sled library.
Enjoy the new sled library.
Enjoy the new sled library.
Enjoy the new sled library.
Now get outside and have some fun.